Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to take a trip down memory lane. Now, the two coins you see in front of you at the moment are both 1 ounce silver bullion. If you notice, the king's got his crown on, so that might give you a clue as to what they are. If you're not used to UK coinage, it's very rare you actually see the monarch with a crown, and that's usually related to coronations. These two, I did showcase these many months ago, and now the numbers have gone up for subscribers. Thank you very much. It's the video itself hasn't had much love, so I thought I'd redo the video itself to re-enhance the collectability and the general interest in silver bullion, and in particular these Coronation 1 troy ounce lumps of lovely silver. So first off, as you can see on the front, you've got the king. It's a nice proof finish, but it's not proof because it's not mirror shiny, but I call it proof, but it's not. It's just bullion finish. Charles II, DG Rex, FD, £2, 2023. So Charles III, DG Rex, by the grace of God King, FD, FIDF, Defender of the Faith. And on the reverse, this one, it's just your, I'm not going to say your bog standard Britannia, because this one was for the coronation itself. It was like a special issue. You can see all the usual security markings, the waves. And if you look just below where it says 23, you can see a nice bit of Latin all the way around. These coins are, I believe now at the Royal Mint at least, completely sold out. I think this one, or is it that one? Might be this one. This is the main coronation one. But this one is the Britannia. This one isn't available anywhere else as far as I know, unless you've got another aftermarket, shall we say, reseller. I often use Atkinson's here in the UK, and they've currently got, which one is it? I think it's this one available, but the actual Britannia, they don't. So it's worth shopping around if you're after something like this. So these particular coins themselves, this one, there was 200,000 minted, and it weighs in at 31.1 grams. So that's your normal troy ounce. And the silver purity is 999. So it's 99.9% pure silver. Diameter wise, it's 38.61 mil, which is your standard size on one of these little chaps. And like I say, this one, there was 200,000 put into the wild. The other one, oh, excuse me, exactly the same obverse. And if you're wondering, Martin Jennings did this one as well. So it's the same profile, but he's plonked a nice little crown on the king's head. And this one on the reverse, unfortunately, I got a bit of a milk stain or something on that one. It says on the back, Coronation of King Charles III, 6th of May, 2023. And you can see more of the fine print around the edge, just saying it's 999 fine silver. Again, Martin Jennings. Again, it's 1 troy ounce. And same measurements, 38.61 mil. There's another bit there, actually. Or is that just a bit of... it's just a bit of something off my gloves, I think. Yeah, there you go. This one, though, even smaller mintage, 150,000. But like I say, this one at the moment, I think they've got on the Atkinson Bullion website for sale. It's about 40 quid, I think, even though spot value's still around 24, 25. The collectability of these will go up eventually. But if you just want it for stacking, it's a bit of a shame because there's such a limited number. And I've noticed that stackers just literally clump coins together and they rattle around together. To me, that's almost sacrilege. The whole point of having these is to keep them in near mint condition as possible. If you just want it for silver value, don't bother going for limited edition stuff. It just won't get you any money back when you're stacking. But there you go. Like I say, it's just a quick one. The original video went out, I'm trying to think when it was now. November 23. I think this was my second only silver video I've ever done at that point. The other one, the first one, was a James Bond 1 ounce bullion. Same sort of thing. It's part of the James Bond movies series that they brought out Bond through the decades. But yeah, this one, I think I've struggled. I've not even hit triple digits in over 18 months on views. But like I say, back then I was lucky if I had 5 subscribers. So now I've got over 1,000, over 1,500. Hopefully it can be to a whole new audience. And what I might do is recap over some of my old videos, go back over them, have a quick look, and reintroduce you guys to some of these coins. They are really nice. I do like these. I mean, that design is very, very decorative, I want to say. Even though it's got that horrible milk spot on it. And then you've got your Britannia as well, which we can get every year, but you won't get every year with the king with a crown. So there you go. Just a quick revisit of an old video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, please consider a like, leave a comment, maybe subscribe if you haven't. It all helps. Click the share button as well. Get me out there to many others. And hopefully I will catch you guys soon. Till then, thanks again. Cheers all.